So let me see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome everybody. Can somebody write me in the chat if my tone is okay and my slides are okay? Is everything okay? Can you see me? Can you hear me? Just check. Just check. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good. Oh, perfectly. Good, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. And as, of course, our guests, welcome to this live webinar. My name is Asker. I will be your host today. Oh, I'm a little bit tired. I will be your host today. We're going to talk, I hope, a little bit between 30 and 45 minutes. The reason is normally my presentations is always 30 minutes, but we will share some news because we had a great event with more than 1,000 people in December in Dubai. And if you think about it, that's very difficult to have that because December is the most expensive time to go to Dubai because of the hotels. We got the World Football Tournament. So that was a lot of people there, but we had more than 1,000 people there. So that means that something is starting for 2023. We're going to have a lot of news today. I will do also the presentation because I know that we will have guests today. It will be a mix, and I want you to write it down or make screenshots of the slides that I'm going to present you today, because I think it's very important that you get the information, but you are going to share also this information. Yeah, good. Again, welcome to SAFIR, because we're going to talk today about two companies. One company is SAFIR Global. I will explain that. But before we jump in the presentation, I have to show you a disclaimer, two sides. Why? Because we're going to talk today about creating some benefits or incomes out of a blockchain or crypto world. And crypto assets, we know there is always risk associated with that. There is no guarantee with crypto. It can go up, go down. But if you have the right company and the right projects, I think that something is different at that matter. Good. Today, two companies I'm talking about. The first company is the company SAFIR Global. That's the company where I'm working with now almost 1.5 years. I started in 2021. SAFIR Global is a company based in Dubai. And why you are seeing the Burj Khalifa, it's not because that is the symbol of Dubai. It is, but our office is in the Burj Khalifa on stock 147. So we have the highest office in the world. They're building a lot of things because it's completely new. It will be completely new designed. We hope that it will be ready February, March. And the reason why it takes so much, because it is 550 square meters. You have to go with 2 elevators. And everything which you're going to change inside in the Burj Khalifa, you get regulations and licenses for that. But it will be the most beautiful office, I think, in this industry. That is SAFIR Global, and SAFIR is doing actually the recommendation marketing for the company ZENIQ, because ZENIQ is a technology company. ZENIQ is not a sales company. It's not a network marketing company. We're not going to talk about that today. ZENIQ is a blockchain tech company. I started in 2018 with a couple of friends. One of them, they had an idea, and it's a programmer. He said, I have found a way to build a blockchain what is totally unique. All the other blockchains cannot do what this blockchain is doing. And since 2018, because they developed it, they had good times, bad times. They had investors. That was a missed collaboration. But at the end, they are now in Dubai, in the financial center. It's not a financial company, it's a technology company, but they have grown massively. They have now more than 100 people working, 75 of them are developers in blockchain. So if you have 75 blockchain profis, you can imagine what kind of company this is. They have got a lot of partnerships with strategic corporations, with banks, etc. And they are opening the next office in Switzerland. That is in the place Zug. Why Zug? Because Zug is the crypto valley. And one of the shareholders of the company, ZENIQ, and also the new company, Ramzik, you will hear that word also. Ramzik is doing actually the operations for the blockchain tech company. One of the founders of both companies is one of the royal families, Mr. Sheikh Said Al Maktoum. So, and this is very serious. When you go to the, how do you call it in English? The registration side of all the companies in Dubai is called the DIFC.ae. When you go there, you give in ZENIQ or Ramzik, you will see that the royal family is partnering this company. Good. I began what I said, 2 headquarters. One is for Asia, Middle East, and Africa, that's in Dubai, and the other headquarter is in Zug in Switzerland for Europe. Good. What is ZENIQ? ZENIQ has developed his own blockchain plus own smart chain. There are 8 smart chains on the planet: Ethereum, Binance, a couple of more, and number 9 is ZENIQ. On this technology, they have built their own ecosystem. ZENIQ is, in my eyes, the only company who has got a whole fully working infrastructure and ecosystem. Why this is so important? Look, ZENIQ with his technology has got his own blockchain, own smart chain, own technology to mint, to produce coins and tokens, own crypto wallet, own ZENIQ debit card, crypto debit card, own technology to stake coins or tokens, 2 exchanges, Swap and the normal decentralized crypto exchange with a technology what nobody has, own tokenization platform. The coins are already listed on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, LAT token, Bitmart is coming now, the swap and the exchange. So if you have a project and you want to build this on the blockchain, you have choices. You can go to Ethereum, which is good, but there are much better ecosystems or blockchains at the moment, or smart chains. And when you build that there, you need a wallet, you have to use somebody else's project's wallet. When you have an exchange you have to go to another exchange. You want to do staking, you have to use somebody else. So that means that your project and your community is getting crazy with all the different things. How it would be if you could have everything what you need on one ecosystem. It's fast, it's cheap, it's easy, and it's growing so much with your infrastructure. Good. Let's have a very short look on the ZENIQ swap. ZENIQ swap is already active. So when you go to the ZENIQ swap, you will have actually 2 ZENIQ swaps. One will be in your application, and one is the normal swap. It's perfectly working, connected with MetaMask. You can see it on the screen. And day by day, we are getting more pairs because it's just ready. Yeah? Good. Then the application that is called Nomo. You can download it now in Google Play Store. iOS will come very, very soon. Imagine a wallet in your smartphone. You can have all the tokenization and all the NFT projects in one app. You have got your own crypto wallet. You can stake coins or tokens in that app. There will be an authentication, so the ZENIQ authentication, similar to the Google authentication with the pass, etc. So a lot of things are coming, also with a very strange and very different way how you can do a KYC. You put it on the blockchain and nobody can touch it. There will be the ZENIQ Messenger in this app. The exchanges are there. And of course, a connection with your minting hub. So that means you are minting or producing coins from a lot of projects. It will go automatically in the application and you're there. Good. The ZENIQ Messenger is very important. Why? Because it is not on the blockchain, but is using the nodes of the blockchain. That means it's a fully decentralized communication, end-to-end encryption, voice over IP, video call, group communication, everything is possible in this messenger. I think we will have hundreds of millions of users of this. Yeah, it was getting crazy. But what is big? That is tokenization. When I ask people how big is the crypto market, they say, wow, that's huge. Yes, but Apple is 2 times bigger. So a technology company is 2 times bigger as the whole crypto world. But do you know what tokenization is? Tokenization is, this is my opinion, this is how I see it, that is the next generation of normal exchanges, yeah, like the NASDAQ or the Amsterdam exchange or Istanbul exchange. What is an exchange doing? Big companies are listing the companies there and they're selling shares. Why? They're financing the projects, make profit, and share this. That is the exchange model. But when you put this on blockchain, you get tokenization, and you can do much more as what the exchanges cannot do. So it means it is project financing, huge savings for the companies. It's fast, it's cheap, but you can reach with one exchange and one wallet. You can reach billions of people. With an exchange, a normal exchange like the NASDAQ, you cannot reach billions of people. Yeah? So what is going to be possible to tokenize? Everything what is a project that needs finance. So imagine all the real estate projects you can tokenize. Small, medium, big, an airport or a hotel, it doesn't matter, you can tokenize this. You can tell people you can invest by buying a digital share in this project. When the project is being done, you will get paid through your token benefits. Yeah, so it's an amazing model. That is the future. Energy projects like solar plants or wind power, or even bigger, you can tokenize. Art or paintings, you can tokenize. Patents, you can tokenize. The World Economic Forum has got a forecast that in 2027, so 21 is done, 22 is done, 4 years, $24 trillion, not billion, trillion. And why I'm explaining this? Because if you want to do tokenization, you need one ecosystem. You cannot build a huge tokenization platform if you're using exchange from somebody else, a wallet from somebody else, etc., etc. So, and that's the reason that we know that ZENIQ is going to be huge with the technology what they have. Bitcoin has got 7 transactions per second. Ethereum 25 transactions per second. ZENIQ can go up to 50,000 transactions per second. So when you have this, and the costs are so less, an average transaction cost of Ethereum, it doesn't matter what you send, $1 or $10 or $100,000, the average is $2.6. And if you tokenize, and you will have people who want to buy a share of a project for $100 or $10 or $1, it doesn't matter, and they have to pay so much fee, it's not working. 0.0000, so 3 zeros and then the 1, that will be the fee, the transaction fee of ZENIQ. Wow, good. That is ZENIQ. That is a technology company, nothing to do with sales, etc. They are delivering the products, and we from SAFIR, we are bringing this to the customers. But what are we doing actually, SAFIR? Look, I'm 35 years in this industry, in the direct sales, and this is not classical what we know, the way how network marketing is doing the business. We are doing it a little bit different. What we do is, our product is actually at the moment the possibility for customers who don't know anything about crypto, they don't know how to trade, they don't know how bots are working, they don't know how ICOs are working, but they want to make money with that. We're saying, don't go to an exchange and buy and try to sell when the price is going up. Mostly it's not working like that. I lost so much money. It is easier. We say, we will have new projects coming on the ZENIQ chain before that is being listed on the exchanges, that coin or token. How it would be before it's listed, how it would be if you could buy a chip or a device which is producing those coins or tokens for many, many years, with halving, but for many, many years. That means you are, before the project has started, in a minting process. So it is minting. You know that model, mining? Mining is different. If you want to mine Bitcoin or Ethereum, you need huge computers, expensive computers. It's eating a lot of energy and it's going down, right? Because if the price of Bitcoin is dropping, the costs what you have is not any effective at that moment. But minting is totally different. Minting is easy. It's a chip. What is producing daily the coin and the tokens, no computer, no energy cost, not dependent actually also on the Bitcoin or on Ethereum. And that is called community minting. So now listen, we have now new products what the customer can mint. That was explained all on the event. So for the new people, I will go through everything, but I want you to see what is new. What I said, with tokenization, you can do everything, and real estate is very important in that industry. So what you see here, that is a project in Austria, and it's a small project. We can do much bigger, but it is very important for us that it's a small project, what can be built fast, and we can show the world, look, it is possible with tokenization. And that is called the project CD. It is at the moment the next minting project. So you can buy in the back office, you can buy the next minter. It's the same like £2, people know that. The only difference is that 60% of the volume what you create, or the product price, 60% is actually evaluation for the benefit plan, but it's okay. So what is the price of that? It's the same like £2. So you have the minting shares from 100 to 700 euro, and the full note is 1,298 euro. And do you know how much it is minting? It is in a pre-sale. It will end, I think, Sunday or Monday, because then the first week is over. Then it will go to 109%. So use the 110% minting factor and get your hub. And if you have a ZENIQ hub, of course, you can buy the add-on for 998 euro. That's first project. The second project, that is amazing. Yeah, I was really happy when I saw this project. This is the first tokenization of a cinema film, what was in Cannes. It is not yet in the cinemas worldwide. So before it's in the cinemas, we have seen this film. The film and music industry is mega huge, and you can tokenize that. So imagine you can have one film, a cinema film, like Hollywood film, and that will stay forever on this planet. And when you tokenize that, it's amazing. So why should you be owner of this token? Because the movie name is Regardless. Because this is a film of my friend. Yeah, really, it's my friend. I know him about 25 years. That is, in my eyes, one of the best networkers on the planet, network marketing. He worked 28 years with one company. He built it from 0 to 1 million distributors, 2,000 first lines, 1 billion sales in network marketing, what he did. Everybody in Europe knows him, and everybody in the world knows him also. And he made a film over his life from 0 to hero. And that is for all the networkers on the world. They will watch this, because there are more than 1 billion people who have done or doing network marketing, and they want to know how to do that. Yeah, because that's always the question. Yes, I want to make money, but I don't know how. You can read books, it will not help. But this is actually a movie where all the networks will watch. You have many industries and films. For example, if you're a broker, you have seen the cinema films of the life of a broker on networker. So, and this is amazing. This is our business. It's a pure networker community token. But how we are going to participate in that? Well, this is going to be worldwide. Total cinema distribution list in 25 countries. And when you look at the population, you can see here, we will reach billions and billions of people. In which countries we're going to have the gala? So we will have it in Istanbul in Turkey, in Cologne or Köln in Frankfurt, Berlin in Germany, Paris, Madrid in Spain, Los Angeles in America. Not confirmed yet, but that will be happening. India, Brazil, Pakistan, China, Indonesia, Mexico, London, Malaysia, and more will be coming. And what is amazing, we have seen this movie in the cinema in Dubai with those 1,000 people of the meeting there. So it was shocking good. And it's branded by SAFIR and ZENIQ. That means when this film is going around the world, the rest of our lives and longer, of course, people will see the brand ZENIQ and SAFIR. Yeah, we will have invitations of politicians, journalists, networkers, celebrities, etc. This is going to be shocking good. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with that. And from the network point of view, yes, it's the same. You can buy a minter and you can produce the regardless token. Here, for the benefit plan, it's 90% commissionable, what I say, and it's the same action. So you have minting shares from 100 to 700, and the full node of regardless minting is 1,298 euro. And it starts, of course, 110%. Don't miss it. It will go on 1 week and then it will drop 1%. So the 109 will start, I think, Sunday or Monday. 1 week later, 108, 107, 100. When it's 100, we start the minting. When we start the minting, you produce these coins, the CD order regardless. You can take it out and it will be automatically put on our swap so you can sell it. Don't sell it, but you can sell it. Yeah, good. So now let's have an overview. For people who are talking with me and they say, Asker, what are you doing? What is this? I said, we're very simple. We got ZENIQ, own technology, and we're from SAFIR. We need to build the community. The more people we will have using the exchanges, tokenization, the app, etc., the bigger this community will be, yeah? And the more value our coins and tokens will get. And that is what crypto needs. So how it's working, every person starts as a customer in our company and can buy actually a minter to produce ZENIQ coins, or produce the regardless token, or £2 token, or CD token. It doesn't matter. What you see here, 4 projects, this will be hundreds of projects, because that is what is coming. It's like how many projects are on the Ethereum chain or on the Binance chain. More projects will be on the ZENIQ chain. Out of those new projects, we will see amazing good projects, which we can mint that token or the coin before it's going in the market, before it's listed. This is how you can get a huge benefit. So what I did is I created my minting farm. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 projects. I bought a lot of hubs, one more, one less, no problem. They are producing, and you will see when the app is also available in the Apple Store. It is now in the Google Store, but you will see very soon that everything what is being minted, it will drop in your own personal app. That is your wallet. It's there. You can take it out, you can put it on a ledger if you want. You can take it out, you can send it to the ZENIQ swap or the ZENIQ exchange, or you can send it to the exchanges, Bitmart, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, LaToken, and you can sell it there. You can change it there. So how many coins and tokens you are producing per day, and if you sell everything, you get the same second Ethereum or Bitcoin or maybe other pairs. But don't sell. Because how it would be if you could have this picture a couple of years ago and somebody said to you, you can buy a minter which is producing per day 110 Ethereums or 110 AVAX or 110 Link, or it doesn't matter which project you have. And now after a couple of years, of course, because of the halving, maybe the 100 will drop to 10 per day. How it would be if you could produce today 10 Ethereums per day? I'm not saying that this is strong like Ethereum. I'm not saying that ZENIQ, regardless £2 or CD, will be as strong as Ethereum. But I'm also not saying that it can be bigger and better as Ethereum, because this is crypto. Yeah, so don't think, okay, what is happening? And what is nice? Look, I don't know how to trade. I tried, I lost money. I don't know how bots are working. I don't know which ICO I have to read, the white paper, etc. And I don't want to have that stress. I don't want to get up in the night at 3 o'clock because Asia is open and to see what is happening with the Bitcoin. I cannot have that stress. I have machines every second producing projects, tokens, or coins. I will watch it in 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. And that is realistic, because when Ethereum started, in the beginning and 3 years later, there you have to watch. So that is amazing. I'm very excited about it. And the beautiful thing here is you have got your own back office, you get it for free, you produce, you take it out, you send it to a wallet, and you sell it on an exchange. What do you want more? That is amazing. Good. Another project we all know that is Tupan. Tupan, I have to explain this again for those people who are guests, because you have seen four projects there. One of them is Tupan. Tupan is an amazing project. Look, how it would be to help save the world and make money with that. Thanks, Mr. Oderli Feriani. He's diplomat ambassador of the criminal court in The Hague, has got his own bank, has got a lot of things. What he managed is he created the first SEC regulated investment fund in America, put in that fund 2 income streams. One is producing CO2 certificates because he's buying with the fund money land in the Amazons and putting trees on that and giving us oxygen. And with that, he's creating a CO certificate carbon trading. The other leg, he got 67 patents and registration for medicine, agriculture, cosmetic, etc. And now, oh my God, it was amazing. On the air show where private jets are, Tupan 300, that is the high-speed vertical and take-off landing thing, which is working on a different way because it has got, how do you call it, motors like an air jet, like an F-16, yeah, that technology. So amazing. So Tupan with flying, yeah. So this is going to be crazy. And for Tupan, it's the same, 100 euro to 700 euro shares, full note 1,298 euro. I think we have dropped now from 100%, 100 coins per day, tokens per day, now to 90. So that's perfect. Yeah, that's still amazing. Don't be late and get that. Good. News, very fast. The Nomo app, that is the new name of our application, the ZENIQ app, but we will have the Nomo app. It is on Google at the moment, no problem, you can download it. The iPhone users, please wait a little bit more. Don't delete your old app at the moment, so the iPhone users, and don't forget to put your phrase key 12 words somewhere. Don't lose that, yeah, because the new app, you can only activate it with those 12 words of your old app. The Nomo app, numerous of coins and tokens are going to be listed here. You will see all the NFTs, you will see the staking functionality, the swap will be there, and NFT overview will be there. ZENIQ is coming with an NFT marketplace. So this is going to be huge, ladies and gentlemen. NFT marketplace, yeah, with a lot of things. All the NFTs will be there, multi-language, easy to use, etc. ZENIQ swap, new activations, trading pairs. So the ZENIQ against Tupan, trading pairs, I love SAFIR token, Tupan, Tupan ZENIQ, Tupan I love SAFIR, ZENIQ I love SAFIR, and I love SAFIR ZENIQ. So that is going to be activated already, so you can find it there. And the next news activation now, the possibility to withdraw your minted Tupan token, so you can withdraw it out of your back office, send it to your application. The ZENIQ swap, we will have now new coins and tokens coming in the swap. The ZENIQ coin is there, Tupan token is there, and the I love SAFIR token. Good. The next exchange is there, listing Tupan and ZENIQ on Bitmart. You will see it in the coming days. On our side, everything is ready. We have given it to them. Maybe it's already listed in the meantime. Good. Something what is massive, what is already active. You can see it in your back office. On the left side, you see there 84 euro, and then you will see there a token, and on the bottom you will see 12,000 something I love SAFIR. We have an own stable coin, like USDT or the others that are stable coins. Our stable coin is the I love SAFIR token. It's stable in our back office. It means why we have that decline. Why we have this, you can buy with I love SAFIR token products. You can use it as a coupon, and you can take it out and you can bring it to an exchange and you can sell it there. Yeah, so it's a token, but every transaction, what we do with the Isle of SAFIR token is a transaction. That means fee. That means ZENIQ coins is going to be burned. 10% of our commissions we will get with the Isle of SAFIR token, so that is okay. We can use that for everything what we need. Yeah? Good. That is the news. We got a lot of more news, but I think this is now important for you. Otherwise, the presentation will take so much time. But for those people who say, okay, I want to be customer, is it possible that I can do more? Yes, you can build. Just 1 second. I have to remove just one guy. Just one guy. Oops. Just one guy. I'm sorry, they're trying to catch my screen, but I have to find them. I don't know which one it is, so I'm going to move them all out. Remove. So now is better, I think. Decline. Oh my God, this guy is crazy. Yeah, I'm sorry, but he's not letting work me. I cannot work. So I have to remove him. So that's it. I'm sorry. Yeah, we got more than 200 people, and now they're trying to catch my screen, but I cannot remove him because he's ticking and ticking and ticking. Good. So the next part of the presentation, it's about how we can be a part of this beautiful business what we're going to set up. Yeah. So you can build a business with this. You can have the possibility to do recommendation marketing with our company SAFIR. And it's all about having an own back office with all your products inside. So, okay, you can see what you are producing. Plus, you can build an online worldwide business. And there is a benefit plan connected on that. So what we're doing is if somebody is purchasing a product, more than 60% or 50 to 60% commissions is not going to advertising what the company is not doing or other costs, but is going to our team building. And that is 3 incomes. One, the uni level. It starts with 10% direct bonus. It means every customer which is buying a product because of you, you will get 10%. And then customer brings customers, bring customers. You can grow this up to 15 levels with 100,000, hundreds of thousands of customers. That's one. Two, this is very unique. The company says, if you build up a team, you need a couple of first lines, plus you create volume. According to the volume, what you cumulated reach, look, this is very interesting, cumulated, not monthly deleting like in network marketing, cumulated, you will reach the ranks. You will reach the Ruby with 10,000 sales volume. Your team, it's not your personal, it can be, but it's your team. When you reach Ruby, you will get a bonus. It's 300 euro. The company says, thank you very much because you did your job. You have built a community and they bought a product and they're producing their own tokens and coins. Okay, that's great. You will get 300 euro. When you do 10,000 euro sales more with your team, that's 6, 7 customers who buy a product, you will be automatically the next career double ruby. You will get again a bonus that is 600. The next is 3,000, 9,000, 15,000. It's always plus, 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 plus. It means if you do this and you keep doing this, there is no time limit. So it's not you have to do this in 1 month or in 1 year. No, there is no time limit. If you do your business online, we got so many presentations. I'm doing now a presentation, but this week we will have tens of presentations in many, many languages, and the leaders are doing their presentations. So maybe we have 100 presentations per week, different places, different times, different languages. So it's very easy to build up your business. If you keep doing that, it is possible to reach also the higher ranks where you will get 300,000 plus 500,000 plus 1 million plus 2.5 million. So there is no plan who's doing this. If you keep doing your business, and imagine people are working 40 years in company, 40 years. So how long it will take to make 1 million euro if you work in a company? 40 years. Do you make 1 million? Here, can you make 5,000, 10,000, 50,000 customers in 40 years? Bring it back in 5 years, in 3 years, in 2 years? So that's income number 2. Income number 3, that is the bonus pool. This means that the world sales, 10% of that goes into a pool which has got 3 sub pools. And again, according to the rank which you have, you will have shares. We call it stars. Ruby has got 1 star, a diamond has got 80 stars, a gold diamond has got 400 stars. That means this month, out of that pool, 10% of the world sales will be shared with the people according to their shares. So how many shares do you have? I don't know. It depends on your rank, and you can get paid. If you are qualified, you will get it 6 months in a row out of the pool. Pool number 1 is always, we cover 3 sub pools. You will have always paid. To pool number 2 and 3, you have to do some qualification for that, but it's very easy. Good, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm done. I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. I want to thank you for being here. So what you're going to do now is, I know that you didn't understand everything perfectly. That's normal, because then we have to sit down and explain everything. But that is going to do the person who has invited you. He's happy to explain everything to you. So what you're going to do now is call that person, get the information, purchase your products. Yeah, I don't know if it's 1 or 2. So don't forget that slide for me where you can have multiple income streams with 4 projects. Maybe you love 3 or 2 or just 1 project. It doesn't matter. Maybe you're starting with 1 and later you will buy the second one, etc. But don't miss the 110% of the 2 new projects. One is CD, one is Regardless, the movie. The only thing that you have to do is go in your back office, put in the buying money and purchase it, and wait till 110, it goes down to 100. In that time, you have got much, much more production per day. So thank you very much. See you back the next Monday. I will be here with a little bit different presentation, because today we have the news for it. And take care and do something out of your life. I missed the Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think you too. That time we didn't know what crypto was. Today we know more. We know exactly what can happen with projects, with coins. If you have multiple income streams, more minters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 projects, I don't know, in 1 year, you can buy them with network marketing. And let's talk about 1 or 2 or 3 years. Yeah, what is happening with those projects? Okay, thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye.